Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Guinto. I'm a chiropractor and I'm the owner and clinic director at Traction Lifestyle in Orlando, Florida. Today I want to talk about our Rejuva Fresh machines that we have in the clinic and the impact that they've made on our clinicians specifically. So we have the EMShape Neo Plus, we have the EMShape Neo X, and we have the EMStrong Pelvic Therapy Chair. They've all been incredible in different ways, but as a whole, the total package has just changed the way that our clinicians practice. We have the opportunity to teach preceptor interns from the chiropractic college, and we have 2 associate doctors, and we are an active rehab practice. We have a full service gym. We're very tech forward and driven, and we try to get patients into rehab as soon as we possibly can. And some of the obstacles that our clinicians encounter are athletes that have quick timelines that they need to get back on the field or in the ring to fight or to be on TV for their job soon. And a lot of these cases, people have been in pain for months, for years, and they're just dealing with it and suffering, and they're looking for answers any way they can get it. And these machines allow us to get people back into rehab very quickly with safe, effective, and gentle treatment without putting them in painful positions and allowing them to get back into active rehab very, very quickly, doing it in a passive way. So it's changed the way that our doctors approach rehab for our post-surgical patients, for our car accident patients, and for athletes where they may not be able to activate their VMO or their glutes after a major injury. So we can keep them moving in the right direction and get them started on rehab a lot faster. So the pelvic floor therapy chair has been a huge game changer for women in our practice specifically because we do have a functional fitness facility where we'll have jump ropes and box jumps and running in our workouts, and it just really makes a big difference for women who have had incontinence issues and they want to be able to feel confident when they get out on the floor. But a really surprising thing that we've seen is when people have back pain and hip pain and they've been coming in for a long time to do rehab, to do soft tissue therapy or shockwave or dry needling or any of these things to just manage their pain, when we've allowed them to do the core activation, glute activation, and pelvic floor therapy activation combined, it just creates this really powerful situation where they can regain confidence and they can take some time off of being active in the gym and do it in a passive way to get rehab and get those gains that they need. And we've seen complex pain issues resolve very quickly in a 6-week period of time where they've been in pain for years without any real answer. So our clinicians and our patients are all very thankful for the opportunity that Rejuva Fresh has given us to have this in our practice. There's a lot of aesthetic benefit for the machines as well. Bodybuilders come in and use it, and they come in with the expectation that they're going to have less fat, stronger muscles, more tone, and more time where they're able to put into their workouts. And what we're seeing is that they get other benefits as well, with reduced pain, more confidence, and just the ability to really enjoy their workouts more because they're not in so much pain. So thank you to Rejuva Fresh, and we're excited to see where this takes our clinic.